أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ومنهم من يلمزك في الصدقات فإن أعطوا منها رضوا وإن لم يعطوا منها إذا هم يسخطون.
And among them are those who criticize you in regard to charities. If they are given some of it, they become pleased, but if they are not given any, they grow resentful.
ولو أنهم رضوا ما آتاهم الله ورسوله وقالوا حسبنا الله سيؤتينا الله من فضله ورسوله إنا إلى الله راغبون.
If only they were content with what Allah and His Messenger have given them, and said, Allah is sufficient for us, Allah will give us of His bounty, and so will His Messenger, to Allah we eagerly turn.
إنما الصدقات للفقراء والمساكين والعاملين عليها والمؤلفة قلوبهم وفي الرقاب والغارمين وفي سبيل الله وابن السبيل فريضة من الله والله عليم حكيم.
Charities are for the poor, and the destitute, and those who administer them, and for reconciling hearts, and for freeing slaves, and for those in debt, and in the path of Allah, and for the traveler in need, an obligation from Allah. Allah is all-knowing, most wise.